Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple pruning technique for pepper plants. We already have a few videos on this, but for those of you who are new, here's a quick and easy guide. As you can see, our peppers were already growing well. This footage was recorded in June, and even though we're now in July, the best time to prune is around June. If you're in the Southern Hemisphere, this will still be perfectly timed. What we need to do is remove all the lower leaves from the stem, all the way up to what we call the cross or the main branching point. Once we reach the cross, we stop pruning. If there's a pepper fruit growing right at the cross, we remove it too. That's important to redirect the plant's energy upward and improve future production. Removing the lower leaves improves air circulation, sunlight penetration, and overall plant health. It may look like a big cut at first, but the results are worth it. You'll notice we leave the main stem completely clean up to the branching point. From there, we allow the plant to continue growing upward freely. We might upload a short soon to show how our peppers look now. They're actually doing great. Most of them are padrón peppers, small in theory, but they've grown quite large. As you can see, any lower fruits like this one, or this side one here, can be removed too. The idea is to help the plant focus on growing stronger first. Then we can let it produce more fruit. So what might seem like a loss today will definitely be a gain tomorrow. This is a super quick and easy tip, just trimming the lower leaves. But it will greatly improve the quality of your pepper plants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss the next videos. See you soon.